Like, honestly, I'd pay to just have all of my stuff, but live in space and just eat mac and cheese all the time.
How would you get groceries?
Well, I just DoorDash.
What is Elon gonna send up a rocket to get you Arby's? Do you know what the delivery fee would be on that? It'd be like $3 billion for like a McChicken.
Yeah, they just send me a rocket like once a day with just Kraft and G Fuel. That's all I need, man.
If you think about it, technically they already do that when they send supplies to the ISS.
Yeah, see, the rocket looks like an actual piece of macaroni. And it's powered by G Fuel that they set on fire. Powered by gamers.